Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Mr. Jovenal Narcisse in your Cotton, Leather and Others YouTube channel. And for today's video, I'm going to present to you unboxing of my flannel shirts which I bought from UNIQLO store here in Metro Manila. Some of these flannel shirts are on sale, but most of it are under regular sale. And first of all, I'm going to present to you this flannel shirt from UNIQLO. Usually my size here is small, and this is their green color, and this is 100% cotton, and the price is 1,490, which is very cheap, and the fabric is very light and very conducive to the weather here in the Philippines because it's not too thick. I think this is 5 or 6 ounces per square yard. It is nice to use for the climate here and weather here in the Philippines. Since I'm small, usually the size of the shoulder is 18 inches, and the length of the chest, which is from the left armpit to the right, or from the right to the left armpit, is 21 inches. The waist is 21 inches also, and the opening is also 21 inches. And the length of the sleeve is 23 inches. I have measured the different dimension or size description of the shirts before I had this video. The next one is the yellow. They call this the yellow color, and of course this is small. This is under regular price of 1,490, and of course just the same with the previous green shirt that I presented. The shoulder length is 18 inches, the pit to pit is 21 inches, the waist is also 21 inches, and the hem is 21 inches. So this is nice. The third one is an ecru color flannel shirt. The weight is the same with the previous one that I have presented, and of course the same dimensions on the description of the size. And this is color ecru, or a cream, and I like the color, and it's very good to pair with my denim jeans. The last one is, I got this for sale, and this is 190 pesos. So a big reduction from the 490, so I was able to save 500 pesos. And this is the color gray, and it is size small. Weight is very light, 5 to 6 ounces, the way I feel it. Since I don't have any weighing scale for the fabric, because I'm used to the fabric of UNIQLO as compared to my other shirts from Ironheart, Samurai, and other made in Japan shirts. We'll go now to the fitting video for each of these shirts. By the way, they have only one pocket on the left side of the front, on the chest portion, and that's it. As my observation on this flannel shirt, these flannel shirts from UNIQLO, they don't shrink at all, zero shrinkage, so these are nice. I can wash it manually, or I can wash it on the washing machine, and there's no shrinkage. However, I use only cold water in washing these flannel shirts. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so, so that we can sustain the this small YouTube channel. For most of my attire or YouTube contents are about unboxing, product review, and inspiring you to have these very cheap items as compared to other flannel shirts which are made in Japan. So this will do for me while I'm here in the Philippines, because most of those flannel shirts that are made in Japan are very heavy. You have iron heart in their 12 to 14 ounces, and it's very hard to use here in the Philippines. And of course, you have UES 12 to 14, another yes, 12 to 14, and Samurai, it's also 12 to 14 ounces. These are very thick and very, very heavy flannel shirts. So, thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, please write your comments down below so that I could be able to answer them one by one. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.